World Organic Group specializes in sustainable agriculture solutions. Our manufacturing facility in Ijevan produces up to 40 tons of organic fertilizers and enzymes daily. Introducing Peatgel, our plant growth biostimulant. When used at different growth stages, Peatgel can increase crop yields by up to 20–30%, depending on the crop type and cultivation methods. Need to convert poultry manure into organic fertilizer? Peatgel Plus is the best solution. This organic enzyme can transform poultry manure into solid organic fertilizer within 24 hours. We also offer organic growth stimulants for animals and poultry. Our products are completely harmless to plants, animals, and humans, containing beneficial humic and fulvic acids. Choose World Organic Group for sustainable agriculture solutions. Boost your crop yields, convert poultry manure into organic fertilizer, and promote the well-being of plants, animals, and humans. Together, let's make a positive impact on our environment.